You just got back from a shoot with 2,000 images. Your editing software is open and you haven't even started culling yet. Sound familiar? In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through your very first cull and Aftershoot, from raw files on your hard drive to a clean, exported gallery. Here's what we'll cover: downloading and installing Aftershoot, importing your first shoot, running your first AI cull, reviewing and exporting your selections. So let's get started. Head to Aftershoot.com and download the app. It's available for both Mac and Windows. Run the installer setup. Takes about 2 minutes, and once it opens, sign in or create a free account. On the home screen, click Create a New Album. You can drag and drop your images directly or browse to the folder on your drive. Aftershoot is completely non-destructive. Your original files stay exactly where they are. Nothing gets moved or copied. As the images load, you'll see previews generated in real time. Aftershoot supports all major RAW formats: CR2, CR3, NEF, ARW, and more. Now, you'll choose your culling mode. Aftershoot gives you 2 main options: AI automated culling. The AI makes the initial selections for you based on your preferences, or AI assisted culling. You stay in control with AI tools surfacing scores and duplicate groups together to speed you up. For your first cull, let's go with AI automated. It's the fastest way to see Aftershoot in action. Set your shoot genre, wedding, portrait, event, or others, and this helps the AI understand the context of your images. Then choose your strictness level. Moderate is a great starting point for most shoots. Hit start culling and let the AI go to work. Once the AI finishes, you'll see your selections ready for review. The AI has already filtered out blurry shots, closed eyes, and near duplicate frames, leaving you with only the strongest images. You can quickly review each group, swap a photo for a different one, or reject frames you don't want. The AI did the heavy lifting, and you just make the final calls. When you're happy with your final selections, click Export. Choose where to send your images: Lightroom Classic, Lightroom, Capture One, or to a folder on your computer. Your star ratings and color labels carry over automatically. Open Lightroom, and your selects are already flagged and ready to edit. And that's your first complete cull done. Now that you've nailed the culling, the next step is to set up AI editing in Aftershoot, so your images come back not just culled, but fully edited in your style. Check out the video in our library on how to get started with AI editing. And that's it, your first cull in Aftershoot in 5 minutes. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can start for free at Aftershoot.com. And if this helped, hit subscribe. There's a whole series of tutorials coming your way.